Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my entire thrifted collection of jewelry. It's not a ton of pieces, but they're really cool, really special, and I just thought it would be nice to show that you can get trendy jewelry pieces for cheap at a thrift store. All of the pieces are going to be like really dainty and just classic that you can wear with everything, and then they are all gold as well because I'm a big gold jewelry person. So if that sounds like something you want to watch, then go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for me. Alright guys, we are going to start off with necklaces. I am a firm believer that you can put a necklace on pretty much any outfit and just jazz it up a little bit. So I'm going to start with one of my favorites. I just got this weekend. This one isn't thrifted, but this one is. It is a simple gold chain necklace. Nothing that special about it, but what I love about it is this is, number one, it's really good quality. I don't think it's real gold or anything, but it's just a great layering piece. I can wear it with some of the jewelry that I bought already and just add a little pizzazz. So my next favorite necklace, I love this one. This is just a classic, and I've actually seen this remade by a lot of jewelry companies. It's just a more thick version of the one I just showed you, and again, it's just another great layering piece. Can have it on for like a thicker look. I just think this is a great staple to have. Next up is this little piece. It is a little eagle, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna guess it's an eagle. Again, it's like that shorter length. It's just a great little statement necklace while still being simple. And this one has gold, copper, and silver in it, so it's nice to have something with a little bit of variety. These next two are a little bit more of the shiny, fake looking gold. So these ones aren't my absolute favorite. I do wear them, but I like more of like the toned down gold. This one is just a longer little chain necklace. As you can see, it's kind of that little fake gold. And it's got this little diamond at the bottom. But it's nice. It's a nice little simple piece to throw on with a dress or something like that. And then the last one for necklaces is this. Again, it's pretty much the same length as the last one. Comes down to like your mid belly area. And this is kind of that cheaper gold looking color too. But I like the simplicity of this one. It's just a little chain necklace. And yeah, that's it for necklaces. Next up are bracelets. I only have 2 bracelets because I'm not a huge bracelet person. But yes, okay, so we've got, first up is this little guy. Let me see if it'll focus. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can tell, it is gold, but it's got these little pearls in the middle here. It's just a cute little bracelet. And I like to layer that one with this one that I just got when I got this weekend. It is this really cute, there we go, chain bracelet. Nothing too crazy about it. But what I want to say about this is that at the store it had these like little round pendants hanging off of it. They were really ugly, but I just wanted to say, when you're thrifting for jewelry, keep in mind that things might have charms or pendants or whatever, but you have to think, can I remove those and then what would it look like? So I saw this and I just saw the potential of a really cute simple chain bracelet. So I just went home, cut those little pendants off, super easy, and now I have exactly what I wanted. So it's important to see the potential in jewelry, not only jewelry, but pretty much anything in the thrift store. Just try to keep an open mind with it all. Okay, next up, my favorite category, earrings. I wear gold earrings pretty much every single day. I just love them. I don't know, I just feel prettier in them. I don't know. So first up, these are my favorites. I'm wearing them right now. These gold thick hoops, they've got some like etching on them for detail. I wear these all the time, and if you pay attention to trends at all, not that that's important, earrings like this are super trendy right now. So I don't know, it's kind of like a challenge to me. I love finding jewelry that is trendy right now at thrift stores, because I don't know, it's just like a challenge to me. Okay, the two most recent pairs of earrings I got the same time as those necklaces this weekend. These little hoops, kind of similar to what I'm wearing. They've got like a little hammered texture. They're just a little bit thinner. These are great for like your everyday wear. Next up are these big chunky hoops. This is for when I'm feeling like, you know, a little sassy. Super cute. Next, we've got these little guys. I haven't worn these yet, but they're pretty cute. Here, I'll just do one so you can see. I like all the detail on them. And I will say too, I think that, because I mean, I've bought jewelry at Forever 21 before. I will say with thrifted jewelry, it's usually older, obviously, and I do think it's way better quality. So that's something that I really like. Like, all of these earrings are really thick. None of them have tarnished on me or like turned my skin green, anything like that. So that is a plus as well, thrifting jewelry. Next up, we've got these little guys. I think these are so cute. I don't even know how you would describe them. They're just like these little ovals. Super cute. And it's white, kind of like an off-white with some gold. And then last is this little pair. Again, super trendy right now. Kind of like a little chain link earring. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't really been that lucky in thrifting rings. I think those are harder to thrift for some reason. I don't know if they're small so people throw them out. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that is the bulk of all of my thrifted jewelry. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you were able to take something from this, or like get an idea when you're thrifting of how to find jewelry. I guess I can talk about that a little bit. When you're thrifting, a lot of times they will have stands with jewelry on them, so you can look through them there, or don't forget to look in the glass cases. A lot of people think that the glass cases are like for the expensive stuff, but sometimes stores will just put all the jewelry in there because they don't want it to get lost throughout the store. So always look through there. Don't be afraid to ask one of the employees to pull something out for you. And yeah, and then when you get them home, they're super easy to clean. I mean, you can buy just a basic jewelry cleaner and soak them in that if you want to. Personally, I just use like a little Clorox wipe and wipe them down, and I've never had any issues at all. But yeah, that is that's all my tips and tricks and my collection of all my jewelry. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was, or even just let me know what your style of jewelry is. Some people love like the big blingy stuff, silver stuff. I'm more of a gold simple person, but I do love hearing everybody's different styles. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.